Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our 7th episode of Teacher Tales. I'm your host, Eli, and I'm joined by my co-host,
Oliver.
And today we are joined by a very, very special coach and PE teacher at the school. Would you please introduce yourself?
Hi guys, I'm Coach Crockett, Miss Crockett.
Awesome. Are you good if we ask you some questions?
Sure, go ahead. Teacher Tales, huh?
How long have you been teaching or being a coach for?
I've been teaching for 20 years. This is my 20th year here at SOSIS. And I've also been coaching 18 of those 20 years.
Awesome.
And why did you decide to become a teacher and coach?
Oh, I knew I was going to be a teacher when I was 4 years old. I have siblings, and I would be teaching like any and everything. Anything I learned, I would try to teach it to someone else. So I knew. In the 9th grade, I had a good coach, and I knew that I wanted to wear tennis shoes and sweatpants every single day. So I basically just copied her. She was a PE teacher and basketball coach.
Wow. All right. What did you do before being a coach?
Before I was a coach, well, a coach or a PE teacher?
PE teacher.
So before I was teaching, I was in school, in college, you know.
Okay.
I moved out here and I started selling cars. So I was selling cars before I was a teacher.
Some sources that we have actually told us you used to play basketball. Is there anything you'd like to expand a little bit more on that?
Some sources.
Some sources.
I did. I played basketball in college.
Okay.
Division I.
Okay.
On scholarship.
Nice. Awesome.
I played a little bit of basketball in Spain and Portugal.
Ooh.
And you guys probably too young to know like some names, but Delisha Milton, Tisha Pinachero, those are all people I played with and against.
That's awesome. That's like absolutely amazing.
Both of them played for the Sparks recently, but they're
Really?
retired now.
Oh, that's sad.
Now, for our final question, would you tell us what your favorite food is?
Oh my God. You're not going to believe this answer, but
Right.
I
Black licorice,
absolutely
right?
am in love. No. I am in love with the Ethiopian veggie plate at this one spot on Fairfax.
What's it called?
I don't know what the spot is called. It's just Ethiopian food, but it's like a vegetables only plate. It's fantastic. I love it.
All
It's so
right.
good.
Well, aside from the gatekeeping, thank you so much for being in this interview.
Okay.
We got Miss Education Laura Hill in the back. We hope you all have an amazing day. Tune back into the next episode to learn about the very factors and teachers that make up our amazing school. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.